What's up mga ka-learners? Panibagong engineering problem na naman ang bibigyan natin ng solusyon dito sa Learn with Engineer Laios. In today's video, we are going to solve for the angle of friction given the coefficient of passive resistance. Now before anything else, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel natin, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And kung gusto mong ma-notify sa mga future uploads natin, hit the notification bell. Alright? And please, huwag kayong mahiya makipag-interact sa akin dito sa comment section sa baba. If gusto mong na may solve tayo ibang problems, no, i-comment mo lang and we'll try to get back to you and upload a new video. Okay? Now, let's have this problem. What is the friction angle of the soil when the coefficient of passive resistance is 3? Now, ano nga ba itong passive soil resistance? Now, we say that soil's resistance is passive kapag siya po ay tinutulak ng wall. Okay? When a wall pushes the soil, then the soil will offer resistance called the passive earth pressure. Para ma-visualize natin yan, let's say we have here a wall with a horizontal backfill. And let's say na meron tayong wall movement laterally. This lateral wall movement will be resisted by the soil, okay, in the form of a passive earth pressure. Now, this is going to be acting in the opposite direction. Now, the strength of this resistance will actually depend on the value of the angle of friction. No? And the angle of friction is related to the coefficient of passive resistance. Through this formula, Kp equals 1 plus sine phi over 1 minus sine phi. Now, ang palatandaan ko para mabilis kong matandaan ang formula na to is ganito, no? Kapag passive resistance or passive earth coefficient, P plus ang nasa numerator na sign. Ito. Okay? Kung passive plus, parehong P ang nauna, best way to remember it. Okay? So, this is different from the active earth coefficient kasi sa active earth coefficient, minus yung nasa taas. Alright? Ganyan. So, yan yung kaibahan nila. Okay? So, this is active. Ito. At ito naman ay passive. Anyway, mabilis lang, no? Ang solution dito, since given yung passive earth resistance natin, Kp, i-substitute mo lang yan. Okay? Dito. And magiging unknown itong angle of friction natin. Okay? One equation, one unknown. By the way, itong Kp, okay, ito yung minamultiply natin sa gamma H para makompute ang pressure, no, sa lupa natin. Lateral pressure. Ayan. So, yung K, guys, that is actually the ratio of the horizontal force and the vertical force, no? Ang horizontal force, ang tawag natin dito, lateral pressure. Ito yung pressure na patagilid or horizontal. And then ito naman ang vertical soil or tinatawag nating vertical stress. Okay? Ayan. So, kung mas malaki yung value ng K, ibig sabihin no, na mas malaki ang lateral pressure kumpara sa vertical stress. Okay? Anyway, so if you're going to input this in your calculator, no, shift solve, makukuha mo na agad yung sagot. And the answer is going to be 30 degrees. Okay? So, yun lang mga ka-learners. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. God bless.